Model, 2013 Ford Transit 2.2 TDCi 155PS 350 rear-wheel drive, DRW needs turbo. Body, white, LUTON, box. Mileage, 160593. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2 PS TDCI-C. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Check engine light on the dash. This is a straightforward turbo replacement job, definitely worth repairing. Nice clean LUTON box with fully working tail lift. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.